Hey guys, welcome back to another quick finance video. I'm currently on my lunch break, but I figured I'd take the chance to tell you guys or show you guys that not every day is green when it comes to investing in stocks. Like people want to invest in stocks because they want to make money, but it isn't always the case. Like for example, today I woke up and my portfolio isn't that big right now. It's about $14,000, but on Friday and today I've been taking losses. So for example, as you guys can see here, I lost 170 today. And you have to develop a mindset, long-term mentality. So I'm a long-term investor. I realize that, yeah, you might have a down day, but on average, based on my previous experience, I've gone up. And this video is not gonna teach you much besides show you that me, who has money in the stock market, experiences down days. My friends also are invested, for example, in Tesla, and Tesla just took a dump. They're pretty down right now. So if you invested in Tesla, you're pretty sad right now, but you have to understand that that's part of the game, right? Like, there's not, if there was an investor out there who knew what companies would go up and what companies would go down, they'd be the richest people or the group of people ever. But that's not the case. It's luck, right? Nobody knows for sure, not even people who work for the company. So things can go up, like a tweet can send everything out of control and take some companies up, some companies down, but it's part of the game. So just realize that, I went to work. I woke up in the morning, saw that my stocks were down. Okay, get my breakfast, go to work, come back, still down. Whatever, you live another day. So as you guys can see here, it's 12:43, my lunchtime. My lunch break is almost over. But I've gone down 100 and actually 33 right now. The video I recorded showing, a screen recording was about 15 minutes ago. And I've gone up to 134, but yet, it's still a loss, and it's gonna go up and down, doesn't matter. So like this 134, I don't care about the number, right? Like, unless I'm planning on selling today, then this number isn't important to me. But yes, 134 right now. And that's it, guys. It's a quick video. Just stay positive. And if you think that this is too much stress, maybe the stocks aren't for you, something more safe, like bonds, are for you. But, it's part of being a stock investor. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Have a nice day. See you guys in the next video. Bye.